To cancel your Experian app subscription, you will typically need to do so through the App Store or platform where you initially subscribed. Here's a guide. Open the App Store. Launch the App Store or platform where you downloaded the Experian app. This could be the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Access subscriptions. Navigate to your account settings within the App Store. Look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Manage Subscriptions. Locate Experian subscription. Find your Experian subscription listed among your active subscriptions. Tap on it to view more details. Cancel subscription. Look for the option to cancel your Experian subscription. Follow the prompts to proceed with the cancellation. You may be asked to confirm your decision. Confirm cancellation. Review the details of your cancellation and confirm the action. Ensure you understand any consequences, such as loss of access to premium features or services. Receive confirmation. After confirming the cancellation, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Experian app subscription has been successfully cancelled.